It's here.
Watch out your leg.
Halagi kode nalagi akamnya kami tahanin na bekamera kalawa awera ke kawe pakai nyami ma kote pakai nyami na ke po here galia. What time is it? It's 10:39. Okay, chair. Oh, that's one person. Hello.
So who's watching right now?
Who's watching right now? Cái này bực mà bà chơi sim mà với cái cậu đó có nhắc lo nè.
Hi.
Sophia, Paul. Hi, Sophia. Cái này chơi sim với cái tê bà. Look at me.
He wants to go. Sila.
Halagi ko ade na tahanya ni jese awak tewe pakanya klo aka pawa pakanya mima kone utasu timi check video rana subscribe like and share and comment, okay? So now you ready?
So you already told him what I'm doing here?
Glukwewa. Good.
Well, what am I doing this? What are we doing here? Did you tell him what I'm doing?
Gonna say it,
Okay. So I'm gonna say these names, these Karen names that some of them I've probably never seen before. Mue. Did I say it right?
Huh?
Mue.
Mue.
Hati Kepa. Hati Kepa.
Tikipa.
Hati Kepa. Shamu. Thupo. Right, Thupo? Oh, that's your mom's name. Oh, okay. Soemu. We know Soemu, right? Eddie?
Eddie.
Eddie,
are you watching? Soemu.
I don't know if he's here yet, but he'll probably be here.
Are you watching?
Money. Pa.
Huh?
Money.
That's not why. That's you.
Where? Look right here. Money.
That's you. That's not why. That's you.
Manu. Pa. No, I didn't see a Y. It looks like two E's.
Yeah.
Tolpa.
Huh?
Tolpa? What is that? Tole? Serplo? Thog?
That's no L here, Jay.
Serpue? Thog? Right? Pue? Serpue?
Yeah.
If I say your name, just shout out. Mumu. Edo. Mulue.
Ah, my hair.
Mulue Hatu.
You don't say S sound.
Oh, your U looks like two E's. Because that's not even how you write in cursive. That's not even a cursive U. That's just two E's. That's two cursive E's you got there. So that's gonna be confusing for me.
No, that you don't make it sound. It's T-O-O. It's two, like two.
Two. No H sound. Now you read what they're saying. How'd you guys meet? Well, we made a video already of how we met. So if you look back in Paul's older videos, 2 months ago, maybe 3 months ago, we have a video on how we met. Durlupo. Right? Durluwe, Paul?
Come on, man.
Is that Eddie? Nope, that's random.
Random guy. I don't know who's the random guy.
Green Turber. Green Turber. Is that a name?
It's a simple question.
La Bie. Labi.
Labi.
Elna. Pa. Are these your friends, Pa? These
Yeah,
names?
from Facebook.
Okay, these are all Paul's Facebook friends. So after I read all these on here, you can tell me what you want me to say.
I can't read the title. Can you tell me what it says? So who's a random guy?
I don't know, but what's the title of this video?
So you're not Quran? You're not Quran?
No, not everybody that watches is Quran or reads Quran.
So random guy, are you not Quran?
No.
Kaya pa ganyan ah.
He wants to know what's in English.
It means Palawa, he's going to say all the Quran names.
No, he's not Quran.
Random guy. Is that a bread?
It seems like it could be. But his is a fighting soul. He could have changed it.
Are you bread?
Labi Elna Pa.
I'm Korean but can't read it. Oh, okay.
Mu Se Wa Popri.
No, I don't know bread.
It's alright. You don't want no bread. He's not a nice guy. Pa E Na E Mu Da.
Are you a nice person? You just.
You. Pa Se. Pru Mu. Pa Sa Le. Pa Se Le. Da Pa. Ke Papa. Right? Ke Papa.
Da.
Da. Oh, those are
That's
D's?
D.
Looks
Yeah.
like a P. Ke Da.
P is got a long
Yeah.
leg.
Well,
This is short
I'm not used to your
leg. That
handwriting.
means D.
I'm not used to your handwriting. There should be no leg on a D. Rayla Pa. Na Pat.
That's Zach's wife.
Oh.
I'm not sure she's watching.
Zach will be watching. He'll tell her.
Hey Zach, are you watching?
Kablar. Is that a V? Kablar.
Kabla means flat.
Chitpo. Ekuda. Galer. Gala Cha. December Mu. It's an English one. Na E Mu. Kwa Po. Kalar Wahumo. Wahamu. Bimu.
No, wahamu. No, you don't make us. You don't make it sound. Yeah.
Oh, wamu.
You don't make a.
Those wamu.
Yeah.
Bimo. Tarapo. That's your cousin in Australia.
Yeah, that's funny.
Hatura. Pawnethar. Nya Hatu. Dewa.
I told you not to make it sound.
Okay.
Not to
Sandy.
say it sound.
Sandy Wa. Hasurku. Sisipo. Hasurdo. Nada. Alright, you guys got anything thing you want me to pronounce
Yun na puga.
that I butcher up in Karen?
Awat yan na puga.
Okay, what did I miss in the messages there? I missed some messages.
You don't miss anything.
No? Okay. What do you guys want me to pronounce in Karen that you think I can't say?
I don't know bread. Super chat.
No? You guys can't think of anything that I can't say? Well, I'll give you some time. We're looking at, like, when we do move, what house we're going to build, because it's cheaper to, it could be cheaper to build your own house than to buy a house in some cases. And I'm thinking of doing, like, right now, a shipping container.
Di ba kanya?
The compagnon.
Te pokoknya.
Hmm?
Te pokoknya klo.
The compagnon.
Te pokoknya klo. So how long has it been? 10 minutes? Should we stop?
10 minutes. No.
Oh, there's Jojo. Jojo hali. Winner lele tu ne. The 70 people are watching. Jojo le. Jojo. Pokoknya rawa kalau rawa. Daddy said no. Don't. No. Don't.
No, he's not in the mood for no don't. He wants me to play with him.
Te na sigala pokoknya klo ne. Te pokoknya klo ya. Te sula kalau klo.
Alright, I'll be back when they got something for me to say. Okay, because Jojo wants me to go help him.
Te lo pokoknya klo awat te. Teaching ala kalau klo. Hello everybody guys. Mentakwa la. Hả? Takwa la. Tia đó lấy tem nữa lẽ. Tia đó bạn nói mì bà. Hả? Hả? Tia đó lấy tem nữa lẽ. Who's watching? Mentakwa le. Say hi. Say hi. Mentakwa le. Cái nên lấy vô nè. Nào chi sự tự mình nè nó. How come nó có August I thought that she 이게 때다 그 소마 이게 때다 그 소. mình 때다 바지 봐. 때도 놈에. Who's watching? Đặt qua lẽ. Say your name. Just say come back.
Okay.
They want to see you.
Who does?
They don't want to see me.
They all left because I left. Yeah, everybody left.
Nandita.
Nadita.
Say Nandita.
Tanadita.
Nandita.
Nanadita.
You know what it means?
Nope. Means you're not tall. You're not the tall.
So no, it means your nose is long, pointy.
Jewish.
Or
Middle Eastern. Middle Easterns Jews in the same area. Middle Easterns have long noses. That's the trait.
Well, we think of all the white people have like a gigantic nose, really long nose, and
well, Middle Eastern's a little Caucasian.
Small lips, and either like blue eyes and green or really light brown eyes. Hi. We got less views than the last time, you know.
Well, it's a Sunday night.
Why everybody's sleeping? So when is the last time we did the live?
People are not happy about waking up early on a Monday morning. Monday's my one day off now a week.
Monday.
So I ain't got work tomorrow. Last time I had to get up for work. This time I ain't got work tomorrow. Last time they liked it because we were talking about politics.
Politics.
Do you guys want us to talk about politics? What do you want? Or you want me to pronounce things wrong?
Okay, I think we should stop now.
Okay. Well, if you got no questions for us, then we're gonna end the live chat. Unless you got something.
You can't pick a pale mo. Dati ko minu ba na? Pick a pale na. Dati ko minu dati ko. Because sis dati ko rakhala na. Nakasule.
Jojo wants me to play the fire truck. He keeps bringing the fire truck to me.
Jojo.
He wants me to play with him in the fire
Alright,
truck.
patulo na kakainin na. Kapatula. Takili na. Kachida liki. Ikaw ade. Nalagi. Bye-bye.